Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Ny'Ree back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing this look. If you love how it looks, then just keep on watching.
So I already did my brows off camera using my LA Girl Pro.Concealer Cool Tan and the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Custard. This color is from MYO Makeup. It is in the pigment pink. So honestly, I wouldn't use a brush as big as this brush. I couldn't find my smaller brush that resembles this, but that's why I ended up using this. I would use a small one for better precision, but this one will do for now.
Translucent powder, and this is the Glow. I'm gonna go under my eye with that same blending brush. Y'all know my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This. So that's the final look. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me. If you want to see another video, if you want to see another video like this using glitter, leave a comment down below saying that you love it, and I will continue to make glitter videos. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.